high tech in your life. Cybertech is the #1 supplier of CNC machine tools in Vietnam. We have received the Doosan Machine Tools Excellent Growth Award for 3 continuous years. Our products include Doosan Machine Tools. Doosan Machine Tools maintains a global top 3 position in the metal cutting industry. Doosan provides top quality products and services, ensuring continuous customer growth. Maximize productivity, automated operation. Machines comparable to other world-class products in quality add higher than expected value to customer business. Roeders TEC. Roeders TEC provides precision and high-speed machines for milling and grinding. With a history of 200 years of tradition and innovation, highest quality with the shortest machining times is achieved by using high-precision air-bearing spindles in combination with the direct drive technology of the linear motor machines. Tornos. Tornos provides a range of machining technologies with swarf removal capabilities to produce parts requiring extreme precision and quality. Whether machining simple or highly complex parts in small or large runs, Tornos machines can offer you a solution guaranteed to meet your needs. Namsong. Universal milling machines produced by Namsong. Korloy. Cutting tools produced by DINOX and Korloy. Tool storage lockers produced by Osung Midas. Cutting oil produced by Houghton International. With the aim of leading in the mechanical automation field, we cooperate with Doosan Machine Tools and Samic THK to bring optimal solutions to the Vietnamese mechanical automation industry. Cybertech. Cybertech has offices covering the whole country. Our head office is located in the city of Hanoi, with branches in Bac Ninh and Ho Chi Minh City, and a field office in Da Nang City, providing installation service and machine maintenance, providing support for training and guidance. We have a large warehouse of reserved machines and parts. Our Research and Development Center is located in Bac Ninh, where we invest in developing and assembling high-precision, high-value-added equipment. Cybertech has highly experienced and enthusiastic employees. We provide optimal solutions based on state-of-the-art engineering. Support for customers provided 24/7 by experts in automation.
안녕하십니까? 반갑습니다. 저는 두산공작기계에서 31년을 근무하고 정년퇴직 후 급성장하고 있는 베트남에서 두산공작기계 영업 지원을 위하여 두산 베트남 공식 딜러인 사이버텍에서 제2 인생을 살고 있는 신상호 전문입니다. 사이버텍은 베트남 최대 공작기계 전문 딜러로서 방寧과 호치민에 사무실, 쇼룸, 서비스 부품 창고를 보유하고 있으며 다낭에도 영업 거점을 확보하고 있습니다. 신속 정확한 서비스 지원을 위하여 15명의 전문 서비스 인원을 확보하고 즉시 출동 태세를 갖추고 있으며 두산공작기계 베트남 상주 서비스 인원과의 협력을 통하여 최선의 서비스를 지원할 것을 약속드립니다. 감사합니다.
Cybertech supports startups and new ventures. Cybertech is fully accredited by industry partners.
Với thông điệp công nghệ cao trong cuộc sống của bạn, Cybertech cam kết giá trị bền vững trên từng sản phẩm CNC. Chúng tôi quyết tâm chung tay xây dựng thương hiệu Cybertech trở thành một tập đoàn kinh doanh sản xuất máy công cụ CNC số 1 tại thị trường Việt Nam.
Cybertech combines the Korean flexibility of Doosan Machine Tools, the German durability of Roeders TEC, with the Swiss precision of Tornos to provide you with state-of-the-art solutions to your mechanical automation needs. Cybertech, always striving.